Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Outlook signature setup for Microsoft 365 detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Outlook application. Ensure you are signed in to your Microsoft 365 account. Navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner. Select Options from the menu that appears. In the Outlook Options window, click on Mail in the left sidebar. Look for the Signatures button and click on it. The Signatures and Stationery window will now open. To create a new signature, click on the New button. A prompt will appear asking you to name your signature. Enter a name for your new signature and click OK. In the Edit Signature box, type your desired signature content. You can format your text using the available tools, such as font style and size. To add an image or logo, click the image icon and browse for your file. Position the image within your signature as needed. You can also add hyperlinks by selecting text and clicking the hyperlink icon. Once you're satisfied with your signature, look for the Choose Default Signature section. Select the email account for which you want to set the default signature. From the New Messages drop-down, select your newly created signature. If you wish to add the signature to replies or forwards, choose the same signature from the Replies/Forwards drop-down. Click OK to save your settings and close the Signatures window. Then click OK again in the Outlook Options window to finalize changes. To test your new signature, create a new email. Your signature should automatically appear in the body of your email. If needed, you can manually insert it using the Insert tab and selecting Signature. You have now successfully configured your Outlook signature setup for. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.